guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a cute shark themed photo prop. I started by applying the first coat of paint to the entire number. As I painted, I allowed each side to dry before rotating the number. Now it's time to apply the second coat of paint. I'm going to add this coat to every angle except for the very top because I have a piece of decorative paper that I'm going to place on the top, and there's no need to waste the paint when you're not really going to see it. Here's the paper that I'm going to use. I'm going to trace this number using this paper, and then I'm going to cut it out, and once I do that, I'm going to apply a thin layer of Mod Podge to the surface. Once that layer has been added, I'm then going to add the cutout of the number to the top. Once I allow the Mod Podge to dry on this surface, I'm going to add another layer of Mod Podge in the area where I want to put the cutout. Then I'm going to place the cutout onto the surface and allow that to dry. This is before I added the name to the top. I'm going to add a thin layer of Mod Podge to the top surface so that if I needed to move the name or remove the name, I can do that without destroying the paper underneath. This is my son's name on some Con-Tact paper. I'm going to take and move the name around on the design until I find the place that I want it to be. Once I found the desired place, I then took my scraper to place the name down firmly onto the number. Decided that I wanted to flip my son's name around, so I took the Con-Tact paper that I saved and I picked the name up carefully using my scraper. Then I found the place or the direction that I wanted my son's name to read, and then I firmly placed it right back down using my scraper. Now that everything is in place, it is time to apply a thin layer of Mod Podge to the entire number. final result. I love the way it turned out. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.